You fucking bitch, dude.
Why?
Oh my fucking god. I fucking pinged this fucking mid laner that leads bot side. He fucking walk up for no fucking reason. And fucking lean. I have you dying to fucking top. I have this fucking blind ass R. I have fucking bot lane dying to 2v2.
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude.
You need to calm down.
Shut up, you fucking laggy ass piece of shit.
You need to calm down.
Shut up. I'm missing my fucking sword because of you. Look at
Is
me.
that a bug? Oh, shit.
Yeah, look at me. I'm fucking missing my sword, dude. I don't even know how to turn on a fucking lightsaber anymore.